Tax season is here, and we will help you out with RealSense. RealSense is an organization that will help you with all types of finance questions, but taxes, and that's what we're going to talk about right now. Please welcome Rebecca. Rebecca, thanks for coming on.
Thank you for having me. It's a delight to be here.
Well, I appreciate you coming on because taxes, they could be cumbersome and complicated. How do we get started with taxes? And also, too, if you can, talk about RealSense and how you help out people.
Great. Well, thanks for having me. RealSense is an organization of United Way of Northeast Florida. So we are an initiative, but we're actually a coalition of partnering organizations. We have about 70 partners who come together to promote financial stability in our community. We do it by providing free tax prep, free financial education workshops, and one-on-one coaching and counseling at the RealSense Prosperity Place.
So that's a lot that you just included right there. Yes. So let's just break it down. Let's start with taxes. So taxes are due, this year it's a little bit different, right? It's normally the 15th, but now it's due the 18th,
It
correct?
is, yeah. This is the first year since I've been alive that taxes have not been due on April 15th, and it's due to a holiday in Washington, D.C., which is Emancipation Day.
Okay.
And so it's pushing our day back just a couple of days. We get 3 extra days, so tax returns are due to be filed in the IRS by April 18th.
And then how could somebody get started? Let's say by contacting you first, right? That's a great idea.
It's great. You know, our target audience is low to moderate income households, so we're really looking for families who earn around $62,000 or less each year, and we're really here to make sure that those households file the return, that it's an accurate and correct return, it's filed and it's done for free. We also work to make sure that those households get every credit that they're eligible for, and that they get it done and their taxes are done right the first time.
And that's so important because a lot of people, they leave money on the table.
Absolutely.
If it's a credit or a write-off as well.
Right.
And then also you guys work with W-2s
right.
and 1099. So
yes.
if you're an independent contractor,
yes.
you could help out.
Yes, we have some limitations, but we are able to provide small business return services as well. And I would say the first step is to make sure you have all of your documents, and then visit our website, unitedwaynefl.org, or call 211 to find information about the tax site that's closest to you, the hours of operations, the appointment lines. All that information is on our website, as well as 211.
What's probably the biggest mistake that somebody makes when it's time to gather everything up and, let's just say, come in for a service for their return?
Probably the biggest mistake would be to leave off some income that they had and maybe miss out on a document or what have you. You know, several months later they'll wind up getting a letter from the IRS because there is a matching system. The employers file with the IRS and then individuals have to file as well. So that's probably one of the biggest mistakes that people make. Another mistake is not filing early enough. Tax season, particularly here in Florida, we're particularly susceptible to fraud. Florida is one of the states ranking highest for tax fraud. And so people want to make sure that they file early enough to make sure that their Social Security number has not already been used.
Sure. And then with that being said, when you talk about Social Security numbers, if you do have kids, that's something you're going to want in because you always need their numbers when you file.
Absolutely. We ask all of our clients to bring their Social Security cards as well as the Social Security cards for everyone that's on their return. And it's for a verification process
right.
to make sure that we're getting the numbers right and that they're really claiming people that they're eligible to claim.
And if you do have any write-off or deductions, you need to put that information in, otherwise it will not show up.
Absolutely. That is absolutely correct. And we ask clients who come and want to itemize their deductions that they have that information with them. You know, we do often get clients who want to come in with a shoebox full of information and receipts, and we ask you to just total that up for us.
Sure.
It's good for us to know that you have that documentation because it is necessary if the IRS ever comes back. You need to have that documentation, but our tax preparers are not accountants. You know, they're IRS trained and certified, so annually they pass an IRS certification test to be able and qualified to provide this service, but they're not your accountants. So if you have a shoebox of stuff, please just add it up before you come in.
That makes a lot of sense. We'll probably bring in the return from the prior year, and that helps out as a guideline to walk through everything.
Absolutely. We ask particularly if you came to one of our locations last year or wherever you filed, to bring in your prior year return because we want to make sure that the information matches up. Typically, people's tax returns don't change a lot from year to year, but there are some things that will affect your tax return. take, for example, if you have a child who's 16,
Right.
who was 16 last year, or 16 in 2014, and they turned 17 in 2015, now you're missing a $1,000 child tax credit.
And you
because
don't
it
want to miss
expired.
that.
Yeah. But people have to understand that that credit expires in the year that that
Yeah.
child turns 17.
Well, Rebecca, thanks for coming on the website for more information.
www.unitedwaynefl.org or dial 211.
All right, thanks again. We'll have more.